name is Chris Walton, and I'm at the MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. Today we are on the Grady-White 306 Canyon center console, powered by twin white 300 horsepower Yamaha 4-strokes, and if you buy before the end of August, you get an additional 2-year warranty from Yamaha for free. The fit and finish on a Grady-White is second to none. Here you have the painted T-top. This has Helmmaster joystick with set point to hold you in one spot. Moving forward, extra large fish boxes with a windlass anchor and bow backrest. Full windshield. If you have any more questions, please contact me at 850-974-6032.